welcome to my channel. Today's recipe is the quickest chicken wrap or quesadilla that you can make. So the first thing you need is the chicken fajitas. You can make them in bulk and stick them in the freezer and use them on salads or in wraps or in quesadillas. All you need to do is marinate with a few spices. Everything is mentioned in the description box below. Just marinate it overnight and then cook it the next morning. Cook it on medium to medium high flame and make sure that all the water has been evaporated, and just when it's about to be completely water or liquid free, add a little bit of ketchup, and that's it. That's your fajitas ready. You can store them in the freezer. Just make sure to cool them down completely before you do that, otherwise they're gonna get a bit soggy, and just top them up on any salad or wrap. So next up are the vegetables. I'm going to be using some bell peppers and onions for this one. Now if you're making all of them on the same day, you can just simply toss your chopped vegetables in the same pan as you have cooked your chicken with them, especially if you're not making it in layers. But I'm going to be using a very famous TikTok hack that's been going around. It gives you perfect bites, so I'm going to be doing it separately. Since I'm doing it all on the same day, I'm going to toss all my vegetables in the same pan so that I can get all the lovely bits and flavor of the chicken and the spices that I cooked it in. If you're making it on a separate day, just use the same spices in the same amount for the vegetables as we use for the fajitas, and that's it. All you need to do now is to layer it up, and this is the hack that I was talking about. If you don't have a tortilla like I'm using here, you can use whole wheat chapatis, you can use parathas, anything really, whatever you have in hand. So I'm just gonna layer it up with some cheese, the vegetables we made, and also some fresh cabbage, any vegetable, any salad that you like, and just wrap it so, and onto the pan. I have it on medium low flame right now, and since I don't have the electric panini press, I'm gonna be doing it this way, just putting some heavy weight. All you want is a crispy shell for your tortilla and your cheese to melt. When the cheese is melted and your tortilla is crispy and has all those nice brown lines on top, that's when it's ready. So if you have your chicken fajita ready to go from the freezer or the fridge, this should not take more than about 10 minutes, and you can use it and make so many variants of this. Make it into roll parathas or wraps, make it for a quick lunch or dinner, a school, office, college lunch. Whenever you're feeling short on time and you want something delicious and comforting, this is gonna be right there. So that was all about today. I hope you guys liked it. If you did, please do give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing. Until next time, the Homemaker Baker over and out.